This lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long. My love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down. The head's another town that I go walking through. With the rain in my shoe, searching for you in this cold Kentucky rain, this cold Kentucky rain. I showed your photograph to some old gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Wasn't yesterday, no wait, the day before. Finally got a ride from a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark